And now we return you to our regular scheduled program.
Egyptian Fur Burger Deluxe Mega Million Scratcher Skunk Bubba Kush.
Cream.
Yeah. This is another story about dogs. For the dog that don't pee on trees is a bitch. So says Snoop Dogg. So get your pooper scooper, cause the niggas talking shit.
I'm sipping on Tanqueray with my mind on my money and my mouth full of ganja. R-A-T to the motherfucking E. Back with my nigga S&O-O-P.
Yeah, and you don't stop.
Raging the fact that it's begun to
I left my
rise.
Margellas in the Benz truck. I'll have to stun on them next time.